guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this Philips steam iron EasySpeed model GC1744. Easy and effective steam boost up to 90 grams to remove tough greases, non-stick salt plate for easy gliding, calc clean for durable steam performance, 4 steam settings for better results on all fabrics, 2 years warranty from Philips, 220 ml water tank, integrated water spray, continuous steam. Nice and very useful, all these specs, but let's open it to see what we have inside and how we can iron to our clothes. Inside we're gonna find out, of course, the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me and we're gonna find out all about this product. Nice, I love the color. Feels very nice in my hand. Buried cable. It's about 2 meters. 1700 watt to 2000 watt. Now to the unit, we can see 2000 watt, 90 gram steam boost. Philips EasySpeed Max. This is the tank reservoir. You can see it's transparent. That's very nice. You can see the water inside. We've got the temperature control. From minimum, 1 synthetics, silk, 2, 3 cotton, linen on max. Nice. And here we've got the in for the water. You can fill the water from here, 220 ml. The sprayer outlet. We've got the button for the sprayer and for the steam. Here we can see we've got a steam, maximum steam, less steam, eco mode, no steam, and calc clean by sliding and hold. Same and for the maximum steam, sliding and hold. Nice, all that. Feels very durable. You can leave it just like that, no problem. The non-stick plate and the outlets for the steam. I like it, and it cost only 20 euros. Well, let's move on for testing to see how it can iron my clothes. And here we are. We can see we've got the water. Unfortunately, into the box it didn't include this plastic filler. Well, I have one. Let's open that. Of course, you can go directly to your water supply and fill it directly from your water supply with no problem. The hole, it is about 1.2 centimeters diameter, and it will help you very much to do that. And I think we're okay. Let's close it. You can see the water inside. Nice. I like the transparency. Well, let's plug it on. Let's put it on too. We can see we've got an LED here. It turns on where it's starting to heat up the plate. We can hear, instantly the plate. It's very hot. That's very nice. You need to have the iron in this position, not to have any problems with water filling into your clothes. And when it will be ready, the LED is turns off. That means the temperature, it is okay. We can see the steam. If I push this button, the steam is coming out. And you can see if I slide this to the left, more steam it will come out. Some water you can see is dropping. And then we've got, and here's the sprayer. We've got the eco mode, no steam. And we can see the steam, it stops. Good. And again we can go to echo, more steam, and more steam. 3 position for the steam. Now let's see. Let's put it on max, on 3. And if you want to use a sprayer, you can spray. Okay, so I think he's doing a great job, I can see. And definitely in this area you need more water and more steam. Or you can slide on this button and it will come more steam. Nice! I like it. He's doing a good job. Good ironing. Well guys, that was all about this Philips steam iron. You can see what it can do. It is very affordable, it costs 20 euros. For this future that it has, I think the price is great. And it is not so big, it's not a huge steam iron. It is in the right length. That's why I like it. It fits very well to my hand. I like the transparency, you can see the water, the filling, it's very good. 20 euros guys. Well, that was all guys, and if you are a fan for ironing, I think you will like this product and definitely you will enjoy it. And here you can see the calc clean. That means if you slide it, it will start to get more water out and more steam, and it will try to clean the iron internals from any salt. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.